We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the scanner glass, and I'm working with the Brother MFC L2720dw. So first thing first, you want to get your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Go ahead and put the glass cleaner on the cloth. You never want to put it directly onto the glass because then it could cause issues. So you want to go ahead and gently just clean it off. Sometimes we do see whiteout and pen marks, so you may need to clean it more than once. Then, if you're seeing defects when you are using this part right here to scan or copy, then you'll want to clean this tiny strip of glass that you have right here. That's the the glass scanner part for that. And then if you're seeing defects when you're using the flatbed, go ahead and clean the big glass again. If you guys are seeing a lot of print defects, it may be time to put your printer in for a service. So if you're in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.